This look good. No patites. Big up the people in my downtown Kingston out of clock. Go and pin up my clothes them. You know what I say? But that try. Wait for the live. They want to do a live stream. But for some reason, it's not working. So, I just go pin up my clothes them. You see me? Pin them that way so they can see me. Yeah, me just done mash up some class. Do a essay and them thing there. You see me I say? Just done mash up a essay. Class are going good first, second week now from school. You see me? So you know that something they come down already. Yeah man, just get some laundry done and thing. More start build up a thing that you call it. Like a chicken coop where I can start raise some chicken will lay egg. That more drop in the thing. I don't know if this live or just a record, because it was saying upcoming, so I'm not sure what that means. What time I know? After 1. Them thing I should have been pinned out from morning, but they busy in a class here, man. Could I hardly move to eat right now, I'm hungry. Need a second meal, me only eat some egg this morning, you see me? Yeah man, I eat that, you know, so don't wash. Yes, so right now, the on way I got Kingston. As I tell you, so I go visit the Devon House and all them things that were up on the toll road right now. I go and run it, me and Tyrone there.
Check in, but I mean, give me some focus.
Well on it. So yeah man.
I mean, give me some focus and me and Jeremy are sharp on the road, you see me? Over there, man, I'm going to the city same way. You see Devon House?
Yeah man.
So.
Like Devon House and as a cartel so them rather they are sure house, you know, but Devon House we are touch. And tasties and them things. So when we reach in, we keep on updated as to what I go on while we reach in at Kingston, you know? But yeah, they're on the toll now at clock in. Yeah man, we're there in Kingston side. That's what I say. So I will try to go at Devon House pretty soon and get the party them, but I'm going to a little glimpse of Kingston. All of the Kingstonian them, you know what part with there? Tell me part with them, man. I want to phone a place, you know. Then on a town, St. Andrews, Parish Church. Dog, I really slice, so man, then I'm nigga right so. So when you come and stop like, you might get a sale. Yeah man, Kingston life, you know? Down a turn. So all they do, they pack up all anything at night time because no doing it there so for all them thing. Huh? I left the barrel them or then carry them at night time. Because this not look secure. China style. So they say they come down a town for a shop. They get all of the name branding. When them are real name brand? No place no sir. All of the name brand looking close.
Replica.
Yeah man, name brand replicas. Good and juice, they're dancing up.
Okay, careful, man.
Open a stain, man.
Special one.
Oh, sweet. Like that. Ah, shit. Ah, shit. Black kid. More like a height.
Jump again. Yeah, exercise.
I glasses, you know.
Alright. Go on again. Cut your hold it and track it down. Right?
What?
Track it.
Do not broke, do not broke. Chip up to block. Where you tell me? You tell me, man?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, man. You made it with Salah, you know, brother.
Oh. You can't try them.
You touch it too.
How much of them
Get
get it?
you. Two of them.
Yeah, pick it twice and carry it.
You know, you think so much Salah.
If you catch your limb. Ah,
You get it.
two of them.
Two of them, boy. Want to pick rough?
Easy catch, man.
But
Even the right different.
you should have picked two of them.
Yeah, you should let it go. Branch manager come and say, who give you authorization to pick out mangoes?
It's a leak, it's a leak,
Tell
it's a
them say
leak.
you have a client.
See them there?
Go put them in a paper and put them in a trunk.
Two fat mango. Huh?
You carry yourself.
So we link up with Not Nice, you know. AKA Marcus. No, the girl
Long
them say
time,
them
you know.
Marcus.
Not change but the weather, you know.
Yeah, man. You're
You understand? It's just a matter of time.
outside, is it?
Outside,
One,
don't
two.
know.
Yeah, man. So I could go over Sharon House right now and get some
Not
patty.
Devon House, Sharon House.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, with the Sagicor, you know, you don't know.
Matty.
It's a Sagicor investment and Sagicor bank, you know, one, you know.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
See
man.
me?
Go. Aye. So you have Popeyes over here, so if you drive back here, so you can tap over there. Krispy Kreme donut set speed. You're out in the Kingston side, you know. Sun up here, boy, hot like a hell. Alright, so pull up at Devon House now. We're going to try get something, you know. Yeah, man, I try get. Hopefully, they have the curry goat patty, and I know one of them situations, they said, me not have that. Alright, see it there now.
It's a taxi, man. I'm going to put him.
So, yeah, man, I end up in a place now. You see me? I get something, man. Come through here, man. That is it, you know. Yeah, I look some patty. I flip the camera and show, no? What them have over here. So, they have the bowl and spoon. So I run there. Probably over here say the patty set. I don't know the place, you know, so I have to match it out a little bit, you know. Yeah. And then I have like a park somewhere over there, so where people can go and do their thing, you know. I now get over the sun though, you know. So you know, say, oh, when I up here for the party, me there for still, you know. What is that? Yeah, I'm there for the party. What them have over there, so? Oh, alright. Most likely, yeah, so they have a party, right? Pastry. Yeah, bakery. Yeah, right, I say party there. And then they have steakhouse over here. Look that way there. And they have like a steakhouse right there, so. Yeah, them have a lot of things. Me say them even have a tour over here, no? Okay. So yeah, they have quite a few things over here. This time I come and for the bakery. Come on, try out them curry goat patty. Don't mind me, place kinda dark, you know. Ooh. Huh? This one a hot man. Alright, show now how going. Okay. Yeah, so I have to go wait about 35 minutes for the goat patty cause that I want to try. Alright, so barbecue at 750, curry goat patty at 890, shrimp patty at 1000, lobster patty at 2002. Okay. So let's see patty prices them there. Baker going with things. No lie, food pretty. Yeah. So I order the beef and the goat. 2 goat, 1 beef, and that is 2,309 Jamaican dollars. That is around 20 Canadian, but for patty price, that's kind of high for patty what we used to, you know what I say? So this is a goat patty. Camera catch my face. So square patty, right? Nice crust. I like the crust pan. I have to eat it fresh. This is the goat, you know what? Let me not try the goat yet. I don't want my palate. I want to try the beef first. I'm in a yard, me. You don't go on your yard, man. Lord, clean. Clean for real, man. Alright, see beef, huh? Nice golden look. Yeah. The reason I broke it because my brother got try. Alright, first glance, look white. I compare juicy beef, they look white. Like you don't know, you have that nice brown, funny brown in the bone. Could taste how go. Crust just good. Beef tastes good, but it's too white. Beef not, yeah. Try it out. Can't tap, man. Yeah, not taste bad. Try it. Broke a good amount, broke half a five, brother. Crust bad. See beef filling there? For me, the beef filling is a little bit too white, if that makes sense.
Spicy.
Mm-hmm.
So I cut just beef one that's spicy.
Yeah, you don't feel that today. I'm telling you what I go on. Fresh out the oven too. Alright. Try the crust with the beef by itself. You have flavor, but no, you can't touch juicy patty. I tell you that right now. Boom, boom. Hey, fly. Am I here, Nami? You know, you have flavor in it, but me feel say, honestly, me make my homemade patty would I give this a beat.
You should juicy better.
My patty for my channel beat this by far, man. I tell you.
Crush.
And it's too white. The meat, me not like. You see me eat with my eye, you know. Make me want scan in and sense because beef so white. You see me? That come like you cook chicken and the skin look white. I see the beef kind of looking at this, but the flavor is not bad.
Flavor there. Crush nice. You crush better than juicy beef crush.
Honestly, you know the door give me? Alright, I'm gonna buy the door, man. I'll show you something. I'm gonna buy the door. It kind of give me like a Danish pastry. Like croissant. Like the door kind of give you like a croissant look. Whereas for juicy beef have more flaky layers. Juicy beef would have beat this by far, man. I tell you. But the crust not bad. But I just more about a beef patty again. I don't like the things ratings per se. But honestly, it can eat. My beef patty is better than this. I'm not gonna lie to you. If you try my recipe, just comment and let me know. The goat should have a vibe. Let me see what I got with the goat. Just see the goat I know. You see me? This is the goat. Alright, Tyron, come in. Take up one of them, my friend. No, so you don't curry up in it. Alright. This look good. You see that? This is pretty. This pretty. You see that? Curry look well seasoned, you know? Lord, please. You said that you get all that big meat then. Try it. Hold on there. Try it. This pretty. See it there?
Well, curry down.
Yeah, man, the curry, yeah. What?
The skelly and so I call the beef, just the skelly and the skin.
Oh, yeah. This will show the scale on everybody. Alright. That's why I never want to try the curry first, you know. I say I want to try the beef and then they have a big chunk of meat tonight. This patty, $800. Crust look good.
Good.
Yeah, man.
But could I use more spice? But usually I'm just make it too spicy.
Got everybody. Yeah. I taste the curry goat by itself. Curry tender. You know, well seasoned. Definitely well seasoned. But as a tyrant said, could I use a bit more spice? It's by itself, it's some white rice, bad. And that's why tender, but I have a little chew to it. It's better than the beef by far. It's better. I have everything in it. It's scallion. You see that?
People that come out of frozen beef and just
But the crust on this, mad. It's bad. This, bad. Then can't dash your beef, I swear.
I think the spice more meaty. I think
It's like it's subtle, eh? Come on. I know goat meat now, man, is more expensive, right? So.
Yeah, that's really good. Some kind of good in the ring.
You know what I say? It's a curry, well seasoned, brother. It's a curry, bad. If you told the meat tonight tastes good, I not focus on the crust that much. And what I love about it, you know, empty.
Full.
At 9, it's as double the price for a regular patty, triple the price for a regular patty, but it's full of goat meat, and goat meat is expensive. So, and you have big chunks, and then you crush out and be mushy. You have actual pieces of goat in there. The beef need a little bit more color. You need some spices. Yeah. You say curry goat well seasoned? Do the beef, son. You can't lose. Yeah, lose. Alright, so I'm gonna try out tasty patty after this. You see me? I'm gonna go on a little rundown of the environments with the outer so. My brother there said speed, check him out the Pip Guru on YouTube for all your Forex needs. Classes one-on-one, you don't know the things, so check out the G, you see me? On YouTube. Yeah, the environment, you can come have a nice family time over here, you know what I say? Yeah. You have gift shop and one thing I just point out to Tyrone, say they no miss. Them have all an ATM machine necessary. If you come here and cash, you can go withdraw cash. We just come from the bakery, we'll go get the patty them. You see me I say what them have over here? I said natural juice. Okay, I said the natural juice is set up sick too, you know. With the zinc and sitting. Can get sugar cane and them sitting, you know? Yeah. I like it. Alright. I like it, man. I'm full of craft in here. Okay, so around here, so I want a little park here. A little cool shade you can come with the family. Okay, nice because Sunday evening vibes me I pick up, you know. See it there? Yeah, man, nice because Sunday evening vibes you can come. They have one heap of different stores out there. Alright, we'll try out the ice cream. I normally eat them ice cream, but I try directly from here. So. I don't think I'm going to put no review about that in the thing. Because today's a party tour. Get to my first fam? Yeah, it's a party tour, not an ice cream tour. But the lineup is long. The lineup is long. Alright, so the ice cream look. Alright, they're going to carry everything of a melt, you know. They're going to carry everything of a melt up your hat. So see, we just get an actual from the real Lebanese because sometimes, as I say, in the country here, them bite and then when it's done, sometimes they refill them thing with that ice cream and I call it what it's not. But see, we get the real one, tasty. Yeah, man, bad. So they have a little bounce house over there, so. the kids them. You see me? Now I go like the ice cream and milk quick. I go try get some tasty patty and then a juicy patty and then return over I go on. You see me?
Give me I said Tony. So you come at town, don't eat the ice cream outside. Stay inside of the van house. Clear? I want bag to the ice cream and milk out of the water like a fire. I could the ice cream literally a run. Today. Nah man, it's so not a wicked man. Could make the ice cream in less than 2 minutes. Could no sir. Ice cream they literally just give it.
Alright, so just pull up at juicy patties. You know, mothers get a patty. I got to test out them soon. So I'm in the downtown. I got to try grab a tasty patty. Alright? I try grab off a patty of a tasties. It just a come from over mother's side. You see me? Now 2J walking up car. You know about them crossing like that. I police them signal, you know? Okay. One saying stop, yes sir, alright. Manners. Alright, so I go grab another patty there now. How then there? How taste is there? Oh, see them in there, so. In the restaurant there. Just grab a regular patty. I get a beef patty right there, so, and then we're done the tour. I go try out the next tree and make you know what I want. You see? Alright, so I just like a patty. Now I go try them right now. I get this one here. You have a juicy beef cross from a clock. Then I go down at the mothers and now I they taste this. So we there downtown Kingston. Big up the people in my downtown Kingston out of clock. And we are going to lock in. See if I can try out the patty there. You see me? So I try out the patty there. I could go on now. Now I go down the road that's go cross. Cause town busy, you know. Everybody cross at a different rate, right? Oh yeah. Taste this. Oh, them parking like there, so. So I nobody make Tyrone come all the way. More of our mothers just wait for me. So now I go over there, check in, and come back in. Alright, so I tell you the price on the Devanos patty. This is the tasty patty. I think I'm gonna eat it right away. Hold on. So tasty's patty is 208. Like, I didn't get cheese patty. So I'm tell you how much for the mothers. The mother's patty is for 252. Much for the juicy patty. Juicy patty is for 297. I have my water, aka palate cleanser. Yeah, this is a juicy patty. Everything fresh. Make sure I tell them say, yo, make sure see them just come out of me, you know. See patty look good. Yeah man. Brother, no patty test. I tell you. You kinda empty a little bit. That one yeah? But it's fresh. Fresh? I could be biased because I'm used. That one empty man. That one empty though man today. How I go on a juicy patty today? You hollow. Yeah, come here. Look at that. You see that?
Looking for the end.
A little bit darker man.
Creamy.
And this is a juicy yeah. That's a name juicy patty. More seasoning. Yeah, it's a juicy patty. You want a juicy patty, bad overall. Voila. We still there at town, then I carry me and eat. Just to be fair to them. And wash out my mouth, you see me? Alright. My price on this 242, so that are the least. Mother's hour. Mother's is 252, so Mother's more expensive. So Tasty are the cheapest of them all. Nice crust. Kind of looks slightly oil, like a lot of butter in some place. Look a little bit oil soak, but the crust overall nice and pretty. But I can say though, the crust up at Devon was pretty for real. But I don't know how it tastes. Alright, Mother's patty will say it tastes. Crust for the Mother's patty, it's more crumbly. You know, as flaky.
It tastes like one of our in it.
It's coming like, you know, it crust pan this so that tastes like the crust. Remember me that show one thing, it said pot pie. The crust should have come like the it's like a flaky crust and a short crust in a sense. Like when you bite it, the flakes them now go as long. It feel like crumbly, like yeah. And the patty a little bit salty. What up? The beef white too, man. A white beef patty they make up here. Yeah, I don't like how beef. Probably I'm skeptical because I'm not juicy patty, but how that look? You look dry. Moist a bit, but a little bit dry. Come like foreign patty. You taste it. Not a bad crust, you know. When you bite it, like you have little flakes within the big flakes, which is not bad. Lots of butter in between. A little bit spicy. But you have a weird taste though, man. I don't know if you explain that taste. Yeah. And it's very greasy. The crust for Mother's patty, it's very greasy, as I can tell you. See it there? You see that look? That little dark section there? Look. This extra dark section. That's all oil. You see how right the sun looks so? That's all butter. And this yeah. Alright. So far, honestly, feel like Devon was better than I want. Yeah man, Devon was one. Come like it a deal with Mother's away. Alright, wash up my mouth and try to taste this. For Mother's, I find it crust too. Nah, be too no bad now. It tastes good, you know. That tastes better than a foreign patty, but probably I want to get, but that crust is full of oil or butter. My opinion, probably people like them. Alright. We'll go off a crust again. Taste this crust, taste this crust. Come like you want run against the juicy patty. Look like a juicy patty, you're afraid.
You should eat a while ago, Mother's.
Want to try? See, taste this crust, yeah? Crust is so similar to that of juicy patty. I understand why juicy stamped for them. You have areas just so you have good amount of butter, but not as much as Mother's. You know what? You know when I learn them patty here? You need to flip them up. Because the beef come like it gone the next side. Again. Beef white, you're afraid. Yeah, this for the moist scale, juicy beef first, real juicy. Then would I say tasties. And then would I go Devon's, then Mother's in terms of the juiciness. And tasty beef by itself for tasties. Tasties are give me Maggie seasoning vibes. I like Maggie seasoning because I look like everybody I here cook with Maggie. That give me like a Maggie taste, soapy taste, like, you know, like a stew beef. Like a stew beef but with Maggie seasoning. You know what? I feel like the whiteness of the Devon's patty kind of show me off.
But when I look back on the rest of patty them now, all of them white. But yeah, I give to juicy patty. Big man thing. And then more that have to go. But if me forget overall the best patty I have today, but I say a curry goat patty still. But in terms of the beef, the curry goat patty I can't bring in another category I'm afraid because of beef I review. So the beef patty, I give it to juicy beef. Then I go give it to tasties. The reason why I not go give it to Devon House because first sight with the whiteness of the beef, it kind of turned me off. But the beef still have a better flavor than Mother's. So yeah, that's how it is. But the crust now, Mother said Devon House crust come second, you know. Because nothing to me like juicy patty crust, I tell you. And then that one that come third. Yeah, that crust kind of come third. And then the next crust fourth. But overall, a juicy patty same way for me. If you choose and say I go buy one patty, it have to be juicy beef. If I go buy one patty that's not beef, you have to be Devon House, if that makes sense. So, batch there for 9%, Tyron one gone yard, me one gone me yard. What time is it now? I rotted this whole time I wear watch upside down. Yeah, see me? What time this I say now? This I say 6:35? Yeah. That's 6:35 now? 5:35. Yeah, that's 6 or 5. I should watch you upside down, you know. My phone dead, you. What clock you say?
5:27.
So 5:30 now, we're there for more after 12. Yeah, Devon House was a good vibe. Goat patty, mad, well seasoned. But I beat that with some white rice by itself too. That's how good that goat was. Well seasoned, the curry pretty. Like how they have the skelly and them chunks in the patty. The spice not hit you right away. Kind of creep up on you. You taste the spiciness and the seasons, well seasoned. That goat patty there, mad. So yeah, with that said, we are gonna log off. Leave your comments down below. And this is not to bash any party company here, because we love them all, but we just have a favorite. And sometimes your favorite can be that which you're used to. You know what I say? And it's juicy beef. That's what I grew up on. And I still stick to it after I try out all of these ones. But may I tell you, all of them party at Jamaica beat a foreign party any day, especially when they're fresh. So when you come to Jamaica, man, no matter which party you stop and get, just get a party because you don't know the thing. Go. And they said. And if you cannot reach in Jamaica, we try no party in Jamaica. Check out the cooking channel, Mars Style Cooking, and try my patty recipe. You get where I'm forward from? It bad. You see me? It bad. For my patty crust would have similar to Devon House. The crust would have similar to Devon House. You see me? And the flavor of my patty would have similar to a Tasties. I'm not going to put it at a juicy beef level. Because there's still some more tweaking to be done to my patty recipe. But the juicy beef is superior to them all. You see me? I say, but if you want a nice patty reminder of Jamaica from home, try out my patty recipe. Very nice. You see me? I forward from? Yeah. Big up on yourself. Enough love for love. Thank you for sticking around. We come to Kingston. I'm going to do that video especially for and then leave a comment. What is your favorite patty? Do you agree with me? Have you ever tried the goat patty at Devon House? I see a lobster patty. Don't see lobster patty, brother? $2,200 for the lobster patty, yeah. The shrimp patty have $1,000. But when I see the lobster patty, I say, yo, I understand still because probably 2 lobster tail put in one patty because one thing with Devon House, they stuff them patty, you know how they fit them with so much stuffing. Overall, in terms of quantity, I give it to Devon House because a while ago I buy the Russian patty. A juicy patty I buy it a while ago. And it just feel hollow. Come like one of them buy a little patty shop in Canada where now have no filling. But when I try Kingston, I come on Kingston, the people, it's too shop here. So they don't full up a patty. But when they are Manchester, patty full up a juicy. You see me? So juicy beef for Kingston, only if you put more filling in the patty. Then you see where I'm from? Yeah, man. I don't know if the Kingston people them too bougie and they don't want only for meat, but full up a thing. With that said, enough love for love. Thank you for joining with us. Battery I got dead. I got drive in, so safe travel on the gravel for we and safe travel on the gravel for you. So until next time, go and pick up on yourself. You see me? Like, comment, share, and make sure you subscribe if you love the vibe.
fi lie, you have to work